Oh my God.
Good thing I got me a Dodge Ram.
This car ain't wanting to come through.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to if I was a car either.
I'm surprised they still got it open.
Yeah, I am too. If I wasn't a truck, I'd be scared.
This business here, look at that. They got all their shits underwater.
All the debris washing up.
Now that dam broke down here, or up north, it's probably going to only get worse.
Yeah, we got another spot right here too.
You'll have to send me that video
Yeah, I was like, nobody's gonna believe me.
so I can send it to the office.
Nobody's gonna believe me unless I record this shit.
I'd like to drive through it on 64 to clean off some of the mud from underneath my trailer.
Yeah.
Salt.
I don't need to go to Blue Beacon anymore.
Getting a free undercarriage wash. And this cooler out here just bobbing, floating.
Why would they have moved all their freaking cement trucks
Well,
out
how
of
are they
there?
going to move all of that stuff? Think about that.
Once they're all broke down.
Well, they ain't been working. State trooper should put any way we can go through, sir?
No, stupid.